He insists the police force was not put under any political pressure. The Chinese executive was arrested on an extradition request made by the United States, whose authorities are investigating whether Huawei has violated sanctions against Iran. Meng has a bail hearing on Friday. China continues to demand her immediate release.
There was no engagement or involvement in the political level in this decision because we respect the independence of our judicial processes. Further to that, I have not had any direct or indirect conversations with any of my international counterparts on this.